Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. This is part 2 of the ultimate guide to salmon belly. Now we'll dive into cooking techniques and recipe ideas to help you make the most of this tasty cut. Let's jump in. Sustainability and sourcing salmon belly. Not all salmon belly is created equal. Where and how it's sourced affects both the environment and the quality on your plate. Whether you're buying it fresh or ordering it at a restaurant, knowing what to look for helps you enjoy it responsibly. Choosing wild-caught versus farmed salmon. Wild-caught and farmed salmon belly offer different benefits and drawbacks. Here's what you need to know. Wild-caught. Pros. Less environmental impact when harvested sustainably. Naturally higher in omega-3s due to a wild diet. No antibiotics or artificial additives. Cons. Limited availability, making it pricier. Overfishing risks if not properly managed. Farmed. Pros. More affordable and widely available year-round. Some farms use responsible practices, look for certifications. Cons. Potential for overcrowding, leading to pollution and disease. Lower omega-3s if fed grain-based diets. Wild salmon tends to have a deeper flavor and firmer texture, while farmed can be milder and fattier. If you opt for farmed, check where it's from. Norwegian, Scottish, or Canadian farms often follow stricter regulations. Ethical sourcing and certifications. Trustworthy labels help you spot salmon belly that's fished or farmed responsibly. Here are the key ones. MSC, Marine Stewardship Council. Wild-caught salmon from fisheries that avoid overfishing. Regular audits ensure sustainability practices. ASC, Aquaculture Stewardship Council. Farmed salmon meeting environmental and social standards. Focuses on reduced chemical use and healthy fish conditions. BAP, Best Aquaculture Practices. Certifies farms, hatcheries, and processors that prioritize safety and sustainability. Buying certified salmon belly means supporting fisheries and farms that care about ocean health. Next time you shop, look for these labels. They're usually on the packaging or listed by suppliers. Pro tip. Ask your fishmonger or restaurant where their salmon belly comes from. Reputable sellers will gladly share details about sourcing. Storing and preparing salmon belly. Salmon belly's high fat content makes it delicious, but also means it spoils faster than leaner cuts. To keep it fresh and ready for cooking, proper storage and prep are key. Let's break down the best ways to handle this delicate cut. Best storage practices. Fresh salmon belly should be used within a short period, but with the right techniques, you can extend its life without losing quality. Refrigeration. Keep it cold. Store at 32 to 38 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 to 3 degrees Celsius, in the coldest part of your fridge, usually the bottom shelf. Wrap it right. Place the belly on a plate lined with paper towels, cover loosely with plastic wrap, or use an airtight container. The towels absorb excess moisture, preventing sogginess. Check for freshness. Discard if the flesh turns dull or develops a strong ammonia smell. Freezing. Prep for freezing. Pat the belly dry, portion into meal-sized pieces, and wrap each tightly in plastic wrap or foil. Double protection. Place wrapped pieces in a zip-top freezer bag, pressing out all air to prevent freezer burn. Label and date. Use within 3 months for best texture. Thaw overnight in the fridge, never at room temperature. For sushi-grade salmon belly, freezing at 4 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 degrees Celsius, for 7 days kills parasites, making it safer for raw consumption. Trim and clean for cooking. Salmon belly often needs a little prep to shine. Here's how to handle it like a pro. Remove remaining scales. Run a knife gently against the skin to scrape off any missed scales. Rinse under cold water. Trim excess fat. While fat is desirable, overly thick layers can make the dish greasy. Trim uneven edges with a sharp knife. Check for bones. Run your fingers along the flesh to feel for tiny pin bones. Use tweezers to pull them out in the direction they lie. Portion for cooking. Cut into even strips or cubes, depending on your recipe. Thinner slices work for quick searing, while thicker pieces suit slow cooking. For crispy skin, score it lightly in a crosshatch pattern before cooking. This helps fat render evenly and prevents curling. A quick rinse under cold water and a pat dry with paper towels are all the cleaning it needs. Avoid soaking, as waterlogged flesh loses flavor and texture. Now it's ready to cook, whether you're searing, grilling, or adding it to soup. Salmon belly proves that the best flavors often come from unexpected places. It's rich, versatile, and packed with nutrients, making it a standout choice for home cooks and chefs alike. Whether seared crispy, sliced raw for sushi, or slow roasted to tenderness, this cut delivers every time. Take the leap and try cooking it at home. Even a simple pan sear with salt and lemon can turn it into something unforgettable. Once you taste that buttery texture, you'll understand why it's gaining fans worldwide. Got a favorite way to prepare salmon belly? Share your go-to method in the comments. Happy cooking! Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.